Hey everybody, Mean Joe from Balsa USA. Hey, as you all know by now, the 2020 Weak Signals show in Toledo, Ohio has actually been canceled. Because the show was canceled and we know there was a lot of people that had several things they wanted to come out and pick up, Balsa USA is going to offer show special pricing from the 3rd through the 5th, which are the times for the Toledo show. We're going to start that on Friday the 3rd at 8 a.m. and run the coupon code Toledo 2020 all the way up through 5 p.m. on the 5th of April. So if you go on to the Balsa USA website and place your orders, and you put the coupon code in, Toledo 2020, you are going to be able to pick up anything that you need at the same price you would have been able to get at the show. Keep in mind, any order that hits $100 or more is going to get free shipping, so you're not going to really miss out on any specials, and everything is going to be available to you. This pricing is going to be available on all kits and all accessories that we would have had at the show, so that you can pick up the same stuff from us that you were going to pick up while you were there. If you have any questions about what you needed or what you were going to grab, just give us a shout and we'll be happy to help you out with your selections. On a second note, if you go on to the Balsa USA website and place your orders in the time frame of April 3rd through the April 5th, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. respectively, and enter the coupon code Toledo 2020, you are then going to be entered to win a Balsa USA 1/3 scale Sopwith Pup kit. That's right, you heard it here. A 1/3 scale, fully redesigned, fully laser cut, Balsa USA 1/3 scale pup kit. So again, if you go to the website balsausa.com from Friday 8 a.m. the 3rd of April to Sunday 5 p.m. the 5th of April and enter in the code Toledo 2020, you're going to be registered to win a 1/3 scale Sopwith Pup fully laser cut and redesigned kit, as well as get show pricing on all kits and all accessories that would have been available at the show. On a side note, if you swing over by the Balsa USA YouTube channel, this is Balsa USA Airplanes on YouTube, and we hit 3,000 subscribers by the first full Friday of Jonal 2020, we're going to do a live on-air drawing for a 1/4 scale kit of your choice. So swing by the YouTube channel, give us a subscribe, give us a like. Make sure you hit the bell button so you get notified of any new content, and stay tuned for a lot more stuff. I will say stay tuned to the channels, all the social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. During the Toledo show, we're going to have lots of content coming out. We're going to do some tips and tricks. We're going to do some live videos. We're going to do some, we're just going to do all kinds of stuff. We know you guys are really bummed that you're not going to be able to see us at the show. We're actually very upset that we're not going to be able to see you. One of the important things for us at Balsa USA is to be able to meet the people that support us and use our products, and that really makes us happy. So make sure you try to catch us at a fun fly or an event near you this summer. As of this point, we're still planning on attending Jonal. We'll be at Rhinebeck. We'll be at the Dayton Rendezvous. We will be at, what else? I will be at several events around the Midwest, and we're going to be doing lots of stuff, so make sure you stay tuned. We'll be at Fond du Lac. We'll be at Warbirds and Classics over Michigan. We'll be at the National Scale events. We will be at the Nationals at the AMA, and several other things. So stay tuned for lots of content coming from us for this flying season. Again, make sure you get over to the website between 8 a.m. on Friday, April 3rd through 5 p.m. on Sunday, April 5th, and place your order using the coupon code Toledo 2020 to take advantage of sale prices on all kits and all accessories that would have been available at the show, and get entered in to win a 1/3 scale, fully redesigned, fully laser cut Balsa USA Sopwith Pup. As always, thank you very much for watching, and happy building.